Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel MBC. Today we will learn to code a simple Python program which will help us to find the area of rectangles and squares. We will also learn to differentiate between rectangles and squares through code. First, we will start by setting up some simple variables. Simple variables meaning length and width for our code. In this code, we will only write the length and width because we are trying to calculate the area of rectangles and squares and we don't need anything else. In order to set up variables, we first need to put the variable name and then an equal sign, and then again we need to put the value of the variable. If the value of the variable is a constant rate, and we have to just put a number or some numerical equation. But since this in this code we find that the value of the variable can change from script to script, we just need to put the input command, because if the input command is put, we can get the input or the value of the variable straight from the user. After we finish up setting up the first variable, we need to press the enter key to move to the next line. In VS Code, we can just press the enter key to move to the next line, but in some other programs, we might need to put some other keys. In schools, mostly Python idle is taught, in which we need to press shift enter to move to the next line. Next, we can start by setting up another variable named as area. In this variable, we will find the area of the actual rectangle or square. We'll use the previously set up variables length and breadth in this variable. By writing length multiplied by breadth, we will automatically find the area of the rectangle or square. On the next line, we can start by setting up the print command. In this print command, we will mention the actual area to the user. To write this print command is very simple. We just have to write print. Since Python is a case sensitive language, we have to write all the letters in small letter. Then we can just write the suitable things we need to print. Then we have to set up a reference. References are used to mention some variables in print commands. We can start to set up references with the percentage symbol. After writing percentage, we have to write point and then the number of decimal points we want. And then we have to just close the double inverted commas. And then write again the percentage sign and the variable name, and then we have to just run the script. We will be prompted by the first variable we set up. In this case, I set up the breadth variable first. In the breadth variable, it is written there what is the breadth of the square or rectangle. So we will be prompted with the same question. We have to just input the actual value to the console. Then we have to put the second value called the length value to this same console again. And then we will be prompted with the area of the rectangle or square. Next, we can start by setting up some more advanced commands. These commands are more advanced than print and input commands. These commands are if and elif. We can start to set up the if command in the following ways. First, we have to write the if command. Then, we have to put the variable name. In this case, I have written length is equal to breadth. We have to put 2 is equals to count is an equal sign is Python. In this if command, it is trying to say that if length is equal to breadth, we will print the area of the rectangle of the square or rectangle is area. Elif or else if length is greater than breadth, we will print that the area of The rectangle is area.